forgot you guys did.
Man, that would really be a seller.
I feel like it'd be hard to fucking find my sleep number.
For a limited time.
This benefit is people waking up fine.
There you go.
I found my sleep number 2 years ago. Now I wake up pain-free.
This dude's fucking so bad.
I don't think I'd get out of
And
it.
she's wearing something like she's from the 1800s. And this fucking guy.
No, look at his wife.
Jordan. Great night's sleep
There goes
bed
Jordan.
at the same time.
Now that we have the bed, we have one less thing to argue about. Because I got my soft bed, she's got her firm bed. Most of all, this bed is the deep, nurturing
Reality
sleep
show
you've
is starting
always
right now.
dreamed of. And in clinical studies, 87%
Hey,
fell
John,
asleep
you're on
faster
camera,
on
man.
the sleep number bed
JP, it's all
and
you.
slept more soundly.
What?
And
Start some
93%
drama.
No, I'm
experienced
fucking
relief
take a
from back
picture,
pain.
dude.
Call now
I'm
and
taking
find
pictures.
out
I'm not a
how
girl.
revolutionary
It's a reality
sleep
show.
number
Are you
bed
fit? Is this right now?
Yeah, man. It's reality
I
show.
don't get a chance to like shed a few pounds for a minute.
Oh, you don't get a you don't get a chance, but that's some good footage right there.
Skins.
Start some drama. Start
I
some
can't
drama.
start some drama like on the spot. You gotta start filming once the drama is
Say that
started.
shit again, John.
What
Say
shit?
that shit again.
Hold on, I was gonna ask a question about this fucking Sleep Number commercial. Why is there a guy and a girl? Like, are they fucking dating? Like, what's up with that? I wanna know what the fuck is going on between
Hey,
these
look at
two
it. Look, get it, get it,
motherfuckers.
get it.
Look at that!
Get it. Oh.
Are they together? I don't know. Or do they just do the fucking commercial together? Fuck this shit. And fuck this fucking movie. It looks fucking retarded. No roommate is gonna be like, oh, I just fucking met you, but you're my fucking roommate. Let me just fucking fall in love with you and fucking kill everyone you know.
I hope not, John.
Fuck this movie. I ain't killing none of your friends. I do not. I'm sorry.
How do you feel about it?
I feel like these people are retarded and they should have been aborted.
Whoa.
My dad's from New Jersey and he saw it once and he was just like, this makes me sad. That's like all he had to say about it.
So this is what people think is New Jersey, right?
Yeah, this is like what the young kids think of fucking New Jersey now.
Alright, alright. We got skins.
Oh, we got skins going on. Who's